let's take a look at self-directed work teams. Self-directed work teams are also frequently referred to as self-managed work teams. Self-directed teams have a long history, but their major rise to popularity came in the 1980s when economic cutbacks resulted in the loss of a middle management layer in many organizations, forcing companies to look for new ways of organizing work. A common myth among leaders is that if the team is given authority, productivity will suffer and laziness will become the norm. In reality, self-directed teams have a wide variety of responsibilities. Making the transition to self-directed teams usually challenges individual and cultural models of work, such as how decisions get made and who is ultimately responsible for productivity and performance. Without significant learning, practice, and attention to team development, self-directed teams and leaders can quickly revert to old habits where leaders direct the team's actions and make decisions. Self-directed work teams require significant leadership commitment, mutual trust, acceptance of new roles, and willingness to invest in the time and money for training and development of teams. The most successful self-directed work teams also have a support structure that encourages their ongoing development.